This tutorial will show you how to add your business card to a Bayist housing market report on a PC. First, let's download the housing market report from the Bayist website. Go to bayist.org. Click on Community Info. Select Community Info and Statistics. Click on the city you are interested in. For example, Pleasanton. Click on the Housing Market Information tab. Click on the report you want to add your business card to. Click on the download icon to download the PDF file. Click Save. Now you have the report in PDF file format. Make sure you also have your business card as a JPEG file ready. Next step is to add your business card image to the PDF report. Go to smallpdf.com. Click on Edit PDF. Drag and drop your PDF file to the PDF edit window. Now you have it ready in the PDF edit. Click on Add Image. Select your business card JPEG file. Then click Open. Now resize and position your business card image into the plate frame on the lower right corner of the PDF report. Click Apply. Then click Download File Now. Now you have the housing market report with your business card embedded to it. We also have a tutorial on how to add your business card to the housing market report on the Mac. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching.